Hello, this is Catherine from Guangzhou Xianghe Inflatable Product Factory. Our company established in 2007, and which we have considerable orders for domestic and overseas. The main market areas are South and North America, Eastern and Western Europe, Southeast and Eastern Asia, Africa, and so on. Let's have a deep understanding with us.
Xianghe Inflatable Products Factory is located in the Nansha district of Guangzhou. Xianghe Factory has industry-leading equipment such as double flat sewing machines, high-temperature welding machines, high-frequency welders, computer-controlled cutting machines, and digital inkjet printers. Inflatable cartoon figures for advertising, inflatable arches, slides, zoops, trampolines, water playgrounds and pools, car covers, and the other inflatable products are provided. Kids spend time in jumping and covering the inflatable games with their friends, can training their courage. They will have much fun in playing the competition games.
If you have interest in our products, please let us know and contact us.